Yeah, you have to be really good. It's I mean, it's a boat bumper to bumper. Oh, check this out, check this out. Bangkok rush hour. It's packed. So we are heading to the floating market today, and it will take us a little bit over 2 hours just to get there because of this. Someplace.
นี่พวกใครไม่ค่อยเลยในบ้านเท่านี้ร้านอย่างนี้ขึ้นลอย
เอาลูกดูละกันที่สมควรลูก
So we made it to the floating market in Thailand. So we're here now, so we're gonna get on the boat, one of the boat here that can fit 7 people, and we're just gonna go around and see.
ลูกเท่าไหร่อ่ะพี่
Look at that star fruit. Star fruit. Oh, it's a big star fruit. 40 baht to a kilo. This is exciting actually to be here for this instead of seeing it in the YouTube clip or the movie. So we will see. We're gonna get on one of these boats here. So you can actually get on the boat, hire the boat from anywhere. They have it all over the place here. So we decided to be at one of the easiest access, so the guy can park the minivan, and it's under the cover here, so it will be out of the sun. And this is
เขาไม่เร็วหรอกป่ะเขาค่อยๆอ่อยเอื่อยไปแล้วเขาก็จะ
This is the floating market. You can see people will sell their products here. Check out the long tail boat.
ใช่ไหมครับ
Yeah, yeah, bro. Look at the shop. The shop is right along the water here. 12 bananas. เหรอโอ้เพิ่งมักชมพู
อะไรไหมมะม่วงมัน
ม่วงมัน
มันทันไหมมะม่วงมัน
เท่าไหร่ละมะม่วงเนี่ยเอาชมพูม่วงนี่มะม่วงมันลูกมะม่วงอ่อนมันมี I'm at the back of the boat so I can drink beer and then I have the the boat he's controlling it back there. Oh, pretty loud. It's open pipe canal intersection, so there's a boat traffic here. Look at this. You got the power boat has the right of way. This is a lot of fun. The boat is bumping into each other. That's a normal. And our boat here is very patient. So this canal right here, this section of the canal is wide open. So the long tail boat, they love to rip it. So they create a lot of wakes over here. That's it. Next time we get a long tail boat, so we can do the same thing to them. We almost there. Look at this. We're gonna go through this bridge here. พี่เขาทำงานหนักเลยวันนี้ ร้อนก็ร้อน Alright, we made it back to the original spot where we stopped water. So, and we're gonna take a walk around and grab something to eat. Yeah. There's a lot of food. There's a lot of food. Both vendors nearby they sell. Look, for example, she has a coconut. There's a coconut plant. She's selling plant. And here you got coconut. You got some lime tree, orange tree. And look, this is dry good, chili pepper, okay, banana, a little bit of everything here. Here they have where you can sit down and have some food, use the restroom. But it's just the setting. The setting is really nice. So, the setting is unique. It's only one of the kind here. So. Oh, look at that, ยาย นี่ก๋วยเตี๋ยวเรือ This is a boat pho. Just got done with our boat tour along the canal. It was hot. I suggest that you guys get the shaded boat because out there it is hot. The sun is beating down on you, so make sure they give you life jacket. I noticed in some section that they run the boat pretty quickly, and that creates a lot of weight. Check this out. This is how the boat noodles started. So the lady started selling the noodles on the boat, and then people know it about the boat noodle. Look at that. ก๋วยเตี๋ยวเรือ They do it quick too. Look at that. ส่งให้น้องพากันกินเมื่อกี้มวนเนี่ยบ่มวนลายเนาะมาเห็นในนะตัวจริงมันต่างเนาะต่างจอเขาเห็นอยู่ทีวี มันแซ่บป่ะ Here's the famous pad thai along the food market here. Look, quick and easy. It's all set up. Look at that. Smells so good right now, actually.
ใส่กะทินะคะ
นี่แม่ค้าเขานะใจดีเนาะอธิบายด้วยเลยว่านี่ทำยังไงนะถ้าใครสนใจแล้วดูไปเลย
ได้ค่ะ
You know, she's giving us instruction how to make pad thai. Pad thai is one of the famous dishes around the world. So, but her dish is different. She's using coconut milk. Look at that. Look at the sauces she put in. Of course, the sauce is a secret sauce.
อันนี้ไม่ได้ค่ะ
Look. Now she put the rest of the ingredients in. Yeah, that's it. Not much to it.
ผัดไม่ใส่ถั่วงอกเนี่ยใส่ในผัดไปได้หรือว่าใส่ข้างนอกคะ
Oh, okay.
ใส่ข้างนอกเป็นหลักโอเค
Yeah. So now she will put the bean sprouts on the side. Otherwise, it will get softened. So now, so it depends on how you like it too. Look at that.
ไม่ต้องคิดราคาฝรั่งนะแม่เป็นคนไทยยังไงถั่วงอกเด็ด
It's duck noodles, the small. Okay. From the boat noodle lady. So it's a small, really small bowl actually. You probably can have. This is the whole noodles in a bowl. No, that's it. Not much. So 2 bites and you're done. So let's see. Let's test the noodle first. It's good. Really good. Not the noodle just right. Not too soft. I'll see the duck. This is the duck. It was really good. Very tasty.